Good morning, friends. I'm Soumitra here again from Innovator Project Information. So on the go, we get many examples. So I'm moving somewhere else. I'm not in my own city. So something of note we noted. Yesterday we saw an example of own brand, own plant, and today I'm going to present you an example of own brand and others plant. So that is a popular model which is called as co-packing. You must have seen, and we have been talking about. So let's see how a co-packing bottle looks like. Does it look like something different or what it is? So let's see that. Yes, so this is the bottle which you are saying. It's called as Primerica. That is a packaged drinking water bottle. You can see that, and it is depicting the information like this is a statutory information. So let's check whether it is an ISI bottle or not. So TM is there, yes, TM is applied. FSSAI, it is proudly depicting the number of FSSAI, and you will not see ISI mark over here. Okay, why it is not showing? Because they are getting it done from somebody. So that's fine. That is legally allowed. There is no question about it. For BIS certification, it says you can see that details. Okay, bis.gov. So license number it has been depicted. Okay, this is the FSSAI number, and BIS since it is co-packed. So what is co-packed? It is mentioned here. You can see that. That is the BIS information. It is mentioned here. So you can see that it is saying that a brand owner and marketed by Mahadev Traders. So that is perfectly fine. They are the owners of the brand. Okay, that is saying Fulton Lonan Road, Shivsagar Rice Factory, and this is actually they are the brand owners. So what they are doing, you can see that this is the CML number of the manufacturer. Okay, CML number means a ISI number actually of the manufacturer. So that is the CML number. Okay, so we can check here that there is a CML number. So you can go and check. In another video we have mentioned you how to check the BIS details of the manufacturer and all that. Okay, and if you see it there, it is saying Chakor Enterprises, and so you can see under the CML number it is mentioning manufactured and co-packed. Okay, saying co-packed. So let's see what is that. Co-packed that. It is co-packed. So what does it mean by co-packing? Co-packing is simply, as I told you, that it is getting it done from somebody else. So it's called as co-packing. Because of the mobile, I'm not able to focus on that. But I'm take a little longer and try to show you. Yes, it is co-packed that. Chakor Enterprises, and so this is a co-packing model which we are showing. So this co-packing model, is it economical? Naturally, it will be little more, cost will be little more to the co-pack. I mean, if you are getting it from co-packing, but you can go for marketing more creatively, like what Primerica, this particular Primerica brand has done. Let's see how they are marketing. So they have applied something. So let's see what is the strategy looks like and what they are doing here. So I will again switch back camera. I will try to show you here. So what they have done is they actually sponsored a fridge here. You can see that. So they have sponsored a fridge that might have sponsored or they might be charging, but they are branding it with Primerica packaged drinking water. They are getting it done. So this is actually the brand. Shop owner stores many things, but every time whenever somebody is sitting here, the brand is visible. So this is the brand they are showing proudly, and at the counter also they are showing the brand. I will just get it there. So if you look at their counter, it is having Aquafina. It is there. So you can see this brand Aquafina. It is also there. Okay. Then Primerica and Bisleri. So on the go, anybody can pick up. So this was an example of co-packing model of packaged drinking water plants. And if you want to really learn about co-packing, how it works, so do watch our videos. The playlist I am putting in cards. So do watch the playlist, or otherwise you can always come to us for consultancy. No problem. Thank you.